The iPad mini has always been the rebel of the Apple family. It's the device that shouldn't exist according to the laws of marketing, yet it's the one device that people refuse to let go of. But today, everything you thought you knew about this small form factor powerhouse has been obliterated. The iPad mini M5 is no longer just a portable tablet. It is a pocket-sized supercomputer that is currently making the iPad Pro look over-engineered and the iPad Air look obsolete. If you are watching this, you are likely one of the thousands of people who have been waiting for Apple to finally stop holding back on the mini. Well, that day has arrived. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are diving into a machine that defies logic, pushes the limits of 2-nanometer architecture, and introduces a level of power that frankly feels illegal for something this small. In this video, we are going to dismantle the hype and look at the cold, hard reality of why the M5 iPad mini is the most significant release in the history of the iPad. We'll talk about the pro-level features Apple finally stopped gatekeeping, the terrifying speed of the M5 silicon, and why this specific device is about to become the primary workstation for millions of professionals in the USA. If you think you've seen it all with the M2 or M4 chips, you aren't prepared for what happens when that level of power is condensed into an 8.3-inch frame. This isn't just an update. This is a hostile takeover of the tablet market. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 chip. For the first time, Apple has decided to stop treating the mini like a secondary device. In previous years, the mini would get a slightly downgraded version of the latest A-series chip. But the M5 architecture changes the game. We are looking at a 2-nanometer process that allows for billions of more transistors than its predecessor. This isn't just about opening apps faster, it's about sustained thermal performance. In a device this small, heat has always been the enemy. But the M5 is so efficient that it handles heavy 4K video streams and complex 3D rendering without even breaking a sweat. It feels like magic, but it's pure engineering. Imagine you are standing in a coffee shop in New York or a tech hub in San Francisco. You pull this out of your jacket pocket. While everyone else is lugging around 13-inch laptops or massive pro tablets, you are running the same professional-grade logic, the same high-end editing software, and the same intensive coding environments, all while holding the device with one hand. This is the ultra-portable dream that Steve Jobs talked about, finally realized in its most lethal form. The M5 iPad mini isn't just a tablet. It's a declaration that size no longer dictates power. But let's talk about the display, because this is where Apple finally addressed the one thing everyone was complaining about. For years, jelly scrolling and lower refresh rates held the mini back. No more. The M5 iPad mini introduces a tandem OLED ProMotion display that is so bright and so fluid, it makes reality look dull. We're talking about 2000 nits of peak brightness. You can be sitting on a sunny beach in Florida or in the middle of a brightly lit office, and the screen remains perfectly legible, popping with colors that are mathematically accurate. This is the display that photographers and colorists have been begging for. And then there's the AI. The M5 isn't just a CPU and a GPU, it is a neural engine powerhouse. With the integration of Apple Intelligence, the iPad mini M5 becomes a literal extension of your brain. It's not just suggesting words, it's predicting your workflow. It's analyzing your data locally, ensuring that your privacy is locked down tight while giving you